Welcome back to Mindy's and AI Trading, where human experience meets AI-powered precision. Today we're looking at a powerful pattern forming on the Bitcoin one-week chart. Both price action and RSI are flashing signals that we simply cannot ignore. Let's dive deep. Let's start with the big picture. On the price chart, we've drawn a long-term ascending channel, starting from 2017. Bitcoin has been moving between these two white trend lines, hitting the top, then dropping, and bouncing from the bottom again and again. This structure alone is enough to track major market cycles. Now look closely at 2021. Price hit the upper line with two clear waves, then reversed sharply. Then in 2023, we touched the lower trend line, again with two waves down, and then began a new bullish rally. And what do we see now? We're again at the upper edge of the channel, and again, we've had two waves touching resistance, just like 2021. That's our first red flag. Now, let's move to RSI, and here things get even more interesting. We've drawn three critical things. A long-term RSI downtrend, yellow trend lines. A strong resistance line, red. And a reliable support line, green. Let's break it down. Back in 2020, and again in 2023, BTC broke out of the RSI trend line, and each time, price exploded upward. Those trendline breakouts were not random. They were early signals of the bull markets. Now let's look at what's happening today. RSI has already been rejected once from the red resistance level on May 19, 2025. It is now below both the yellow trend line and the red level. Momentum is fading, and unless RSI breaks out cleanly, a deeper correction is likely. Let's connect the dots. Price is touching major resistance on the price channel. RSI is struggling below key resistance. And we're seeing the exact same two-wave pattern that preceded the 2021 top. So, does this mean Bitcoin is about to crash? Not necessarily. Here are the two possible outcomes. If RSI gets rejected again and drops below 50, we could enter a midterm downtrend, possibly retesting lower support levels. But if RSI breaks above both the red and yellow lines, it could trigger the strongest bullish wave we've seen since 2023. This is a critical moment. The next few weeks will decide the fate of Bitcoin's macro trend. If you don't want to miss that moment, subscribe now, and we'll follow it together. This is Mindagas from Mindy's and AI Trading. See you in the next one.